Overslept again, bro. This one's like 40 minutes. I'm still gonna give people, I'm still gonna deliver like I always do, or at least I think I do. But my camera is, so one thing about this camera, oh, there we go. Hmm. We gotta set this to be like, yeah. All right. I was trying to go with like a darker. I don't know what I was trying to go with. As promised, I'm about to show you this tool. I just came up with the idea yesterday when I was doing Stream IO. I was like, man, I went through this box and I missed a whole bunch of stuff. I missed easy stuff, yo. I missed stuff that I've been doing for years. Missed the SQL injection and how to do that. And it's like, how can I create something that's foolproof to where it's like you can't mess it up? Even if you like knew to hack the box, I wanted to invent the ultimate cheat code so that even with active boxes, you can approach active boxes and learn, and you can also rank up as you learn. It's not all about retired boxes anymore, because maybe you want that excitement, that novelty, right? It's early, bro. So I came up with a tool, man. Now, someone already asked me about the tool before I even presented it. I'll tell you right now, I need to put some try catches in my tool so that you don't break it and lose all of your work. But I am about to show you how it works, and then I need to work on it so that it just doesn't break on you, y'all. So let's go into the live. Make sure nobody's asking questions or whatever. Yeah, I don't want the tool to break on you. So once we get at minimum, once we handle all of the input validation, I don't know if that's the word that I'm looking for there, but once I get it to where if you make a mistake, it just doesn't crash, then I can put it out. And I think with this one, I'm actually going to try to do a GitHub for this. So yeah, so my bedtime would be like 7:30, so that I could get up and like set up and get ready. For this one though, I want to sleep at like 9 o'clock, which is still early, but you see the consequences of this, right? So I'm in here a little bit late, but even if someone was planning to watch this, they could just go back and watch it. All right, I think should be fine. So I don't think we're tripping too much, but yes, as promised. So I wanted to make this tool, and we're talking about tools all day. We shouldn't be doing any hacking unless we're testing. So, but instead of, so everybody pretty much probably knows my notes format or whatever. I'm about to move away from this, or at least test moving away from that. And I'll show you how my tool works. Uh-oh. Python methodology builder. So it's like real corny right now where it's like just this prompt, but of course I want some ASCII art and stuff like that. It's like, welcome to methodology builder. What's good, man? What's good? Welcome to methodology builder. And then you should be able to type, so let's do show options. And then you have machine name. So you'd be like set machine name. Let's say we were doing stream IO. Let's say the IP address. It's like 10, 10, 10, 10. Just basic stuff. Set OS. What was it? Windows. And then set difficulty. Insane. And then we could just do another show options. And so far it's kind of like it's already filling out your write-up part, right? And then what ports do we have? Add port 53. We had 80. We had WinRM. We had Kerberos. We had 445. What else do we have? We have just a lot of ports, and then I can't clear it yet because I don't know how to do that. If you show options again, only certain. Okay, I need to get it where it's it splits the lines, but I think you get it. Add port 80, add port 88. So this is not even the meat and potatoes yet of the tool, but I just wanted to show you this so far. The reason why I think this tool is going to be so good is you can do show methodology HTTP, and then it'll show you like, hey, you want to check this, check that, check that, check that, to go down the line. And I wanted to be prettier than that, but this is like 30 minutes of work ish, maybe 30 or 45 minutes. And I want to work on that today on the live stream. And I do want to get some input from the audience as well, so that, like, you know, because this tool is really yours. So, I mean, I hope we get more people in the live stream, because what I think what's going to end up happening is people are going to like the tool, and people are going to want changes, but then you're going to want me to change it on the back end. It's like, if I don't get any input, then it's going to be pretty much what I want it to be. And then you're going to be asking for it, right? So it's like, I want input from the whole community. So so far I have HTTP. What else do I have? PHP as well. So show methodology, PHP. And then it shows you like, hey, why don't you try PHP filter if you have LFI? Also, if you have an LFI, don't just try .. Use a large list of payloads like .. pom from payload all the things. And then it gives you an example of what to try, right? So you're not, we get too much in ethical hacking and pen testing. There's too much value. There's too much weight on having to remember all of this stuff. And that's whack, bro. We don't want to be there. We want to have it ready. Like, I've been seriously training like this. Not as hard. I've been going hard for the past, 3 weeks or something, but I've been trying to, 2017, I jumped on HackTheBox, and every time I went through a box or ActiveBox or whatever the case, and then I saw IPSec or somebody present it, I was like, man, I forgot that, yo. And why? Like, what's the point in that, right? If I knew it, but I forgot it, like, so that's what this tool is going to be about. Like, hey, you know, maybe you scanned Nmap, but you didn't get all the ports. Reminder, run your Nmap with -P to ensure you get all the ports. What I want to add today is going to change the game. I put some notes in my phone. So what I want to add, and it's going to be fairly easy. I don't know why nobody's thought about this. Maybe they want all of the HackTheBox points themselves and don't want to help out don't want to help anybody out, right? That's pretty whack. What I want to do today is I want the ability to save notes. So I want you to, let's just say you do show options, and then you have pretty much this. I want the ability to have notes down here to say, hey, Stream.io, I did it for X amount of hours, got tired, taking a break. I want you to put something like that. I got some. I think the tool is good, sort of like Recon NG. Yeah, I wanted to be specifically like around HackTheBox because I haven't even shown you like my most ambitious part yet. The most ambitious part by far of this tool is show examples. So for show examples is going to be a repository of every technique ever built into HackTheBox, dealing with that specific either protocol or whatever the case. I need some color here too, because like it's weird just being in green. Anyway, show examples PHP. I don't even know if I can do color. Gives you every example of how someone did something dope with PHP. So this goes back to the time where in Stream.io we needed to do a PHP filter to download the source code. I've seen that many times, but the thing is, don't remember it. So if I would have thought about it during my no write-up run, I would have been fine. So again, it's really ugly right now, but just think about it. Just imagine typing show examples SQL and getting every single instance of SQL injection that HackTheBox has ever done. I'm crazy enough to put that work in for the entire community to make sure you have a floating tool with all of the things you need, and you don't have to go to other write-ups and go to Google and all of that. It's just there for you. So that's what we want to do. So you have show methodology PHP, and I think I also worked on SQL last night. So you do show methodology SQL. Oh, didn't work on that? Maybe I didn't save it. Let's exit. Yes, it's in there. I guess it's not saved, so we'll save it over here. And then if we enter again, show examples SQL. Yeah, there we go. So show examples SQL gives you right now, like I was just explaining, it only gives you one box because I just started. But when I'm done with it, it's going to give you every example of SQL injection ever done on HackTheBox. It's going to be HackTheBox specific, but I think HackTheBox does well enough to where if you've seen it there, you're good. You feel me? Like if you got the examples from HackTheBox, like you take it to Try Hack Me, or you take it to OSCP, or you take it in any difficult situation, it's going to be there for you. Now, a lot of people might feel like, well, yeah, but you're not really doing the work. You are doing the work because you have to, when you do show examples SQL, you have to read over what happened and then apply it. You feel what I'm saying? It's like, I don't know. I think this is going to definitely change the game. I think this is definitely going to like you see people like Jasper's Ass and all those people that are always at the top. Is definitely when I'm done with this when I'm definitely done with this tool, more people are going to be at the top. It's going to be way more competitive. Maybe Jasper's Ass will like it. Maybe he will hate me. We'll see. But I don't know. Does anybody got any questions so far about how the tool would work? It's pretty straightforward. It's basically a database of stuff to where it's like, things. So, yeah. So that's my examples. I need a way, which is going to be super easy, but I need a way to not get so much. I got to figure out the clear function. Yes. So let me see. What if we did? And I know this is a mess. My code is a total, complete freaking mess right now. I'm almost embarrassed to show it because when we normally do this, like, Rodnet reminded me, like, we should be putting these in case statements. And I think as this gets bigger, we're going to start using case statements. But my brain was wrapped more around trying to make it work. And so here we are. So I'm definitely not going to let it get too big before we start using case statements. So it's while true prompt input methodology builder. This is where you type your stuff in. I gotta make sure I'm looking at the time because I do have to get ready for work. Anyway, yes. So I think it's super simple as far as what's going on. It's just gonna take me a while, but I think I'm gonna work on this. And it's gonna be tough. All right. I want to add a clear function or a clear if statement, and it's going to be a function in the future. So if prompt split no, if prompt equals clear. Let's see if this will work. OS system clear. I think. Then I need to go up here, add. If you don't recognize it, it is in Python. Import OS. Save that. The exit, re-enter. What are you talking about? Oh. I don't know what it is about Vim that I like so much, bro. I love Vim. Like, I know I need to use an IDE, but man, I'm scared to move on, yo. I'm scared to move on, man. I ain't even playing. Like, it's legit fear. You know, if I'm in Windows, like, of course I gotta use stuff like that. But like in Linux, like Nano, all that stuff gives me anxiety. I don't know, yo. I'm weird in the head. But yeah, like if I try to use Nano right now, like I really feel a lot of anxiety. I used to use Nano when I was first learning this stuff, and then I switched to Vim because of the automation. Let's try clear. Oh, it works. I did not think that would work. So we do show methodology. I even got PFX in here. And it doesn't work. Okay. So no, it's not show methodology, it's show examples. PFX. And it crashed. So that's what I mean. Like if I start giving out this tool and you get stuff like that, and it's like, hey bro, your tool's whack, bro. Like, nah, yo. We're gonna make sure that it's fine before I start giving it out. And I wanted to be full of value, so definitely needs more content when it comes to the examples. Python methodology builders, show examples, PFX, and then boom, there's an example of how to crack a PFX file. So the context, that's another thing I like about this tool, right? So it's not just giving you an example, it's putting you in the context, right? So, all right, what am I using the PFX file for? So I'm thinking to make it eventually searchable by context too, so that you can, you know, because PFX files work differently in different contexts, right? So in this case, we found is this box retired, Tom Lapse? I think it is. Yeah, it is. You found a PFX file on a share and you need to get initial access. So here, you find it, you have to take it, from there, you have to crack it with, so first you crack it zip to John, and then you have to crack it again, I believe, with PFX to John, which like somebody really liked John on this box. And then from there, I think you see the password. I don't even see the password in this thing, so I gotta do some spring cleaning here. But anyway, oh, here it is. I don't even see the password in there, but I mean, I think people could follow it. People could read. And once you do that, oh, this is a pretty easy box, bro. Man, this is an easy box. I didn't even, and this was a medium box. Time lapse. Did I? No, I actually did time lapse. I don't know. Off topic. Not even the point of why we're here. If you find a PFX file, you know how to crack it. If you find it in Linux right now, if you had this tool, you just SOL because it's not gonna work. I mean the methodology here. All right, so we got the clear function working, which is dope. The next thing that I want to do, let's look at my notes, bro. I want the ability to so let's clear. There we go. So if you do show options, and I probably do show write up here too, because it's like I want this to be the write up, and then you do set machine name. We were doing stream IO. Set IP to, I don't know, 10, it doesn't matter, 1010. Set OS to Windows. Set difficulty to insane. And I gotta fix the ports. Set, notice add port 80. And, bro, these free apps. I want the ability to save a box. So I want to do save write up, and then it'll put all of this into a file. Man, bro, I apologize for my code. My code is terrible right now. Man, I don't want to over explain myself here. Let's just go. If prompt split, there's gotta be a better way to do this too, to split things. 0 equals save. I'm gonna probably do all of the boring stuff offline. I just want to show you me, building the tool. But the boring stuff like putting this in the case statements, probably I don't want to work on it tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, all of that stuff, I'm gonna say if prompt split 0 equals write up Python commander Python file. Okay, so I think what we need to do is say if prompt split whatever write up, then you take, nope, that's not right, because we need an actual one here, and then we need to say file equals open. Nope. No, yeah, we didn't do that. File open. Nope. File open like this. And then say prompt split. Now, if you do a lot of Python code, you could probably see where like somebody could screw this up and crash the program. So just then you know, like, yeah, it's definitely rough right now. So we want the third element in save write up to be the file name. I did that right. I think it's C. We're gonna test it, and then we'll do file write, and then we need to do. This is gonna be tough. Let's just do for now though. How do you get the options? All right, so I need to put that in. I need to put this in a function. All this in the function. So let's do that. Let's go. Let's do that. I think Mississippi, the Banner, and Louisiana. Something. So you will need a hammer. What did I do? I didn't even know what happened. Man. Yep, I'm trying to paste stuff and then it could have been a lot worse too. Set methodology, right? No, you don't set methodology in this code. Why is that there? Something got deleted. Save, write up. All right, we're gonna have to exit and then go back. All right. I hope I didn't do anything that was like. All right, let's start over because I just really confused myself there. If trying to paste, like that's probably my weakness when it comes to Vim. Prompt split 0 equals save. We're gonna just say, just go ahead and do file equals open prompt splits, and then we'll say 2. And then I need to do like C. And then file write. Let's just do test for now. File close. And then later on, I'll probably like add like what's supposed to be in there. So we'll do a W there. So clear. We'll go back into the tool. And then we'll just put some data in here. Set machine name. Let's try Anubis this time or something like that. Ugh. Actually, we don't even need to do that. So save, write up, Anubis. Oh, it doesn't like C. I thought that C meant create. It does not, apparently. And so it just crashes. That's the thing about code. Like, if it doesn't like it, it'll just crash. And then like, where's my work? Lost all my work, right? So that's going to be really important, making sure that doesn't happen. So save, write up. I saved it, bro. What do you mean right now? W. All right. So we got test here. So that works. I think. Save, write up. Exit. Okay, yep. Anubis test. All right, boom. So this is going to, it should spit out the options for now. You'd have to do like, I don't even know how to print a dictionary in a format that's fly. How do you do that? Because you could do like, if you just did Python and then you just did like a dictionary. And you say hack the box. Equals tough. And then you did like something like try hack me friendly or something like that. Something like that. You made a dictionary. And then you did like dictionary. And then you get it in that format, right? You can say something like for item in dictionary, print item. Oh. So, I don't know. For now, this is how we're going to do it. And then we'll make it prettier. So in our code, we'll say file write. For item and options, file write item. And then we'll say thank you to you, and then go back in the methodology and try it. So let's say that we said set machine name. This time we'll use something like what's a really famous one? Forest is really famous. Set IP. We don't care. Set OS to Windows. Set difficulty to insane. What's good? What's good? Because all of them are pretty much insane. And then we just do show options. And then we could add set ports. We remember in that one, oh, it's not set port, it's actually add port. 445. And then show options again. So I do want, I'm gonna add this in my phone. I also want the ability to say, all right, it's a domain controller, just spit out these ports at a minimum. So that's going to be your 88, your Kerberos, your WinRM, all the things, right? I think we know what we're talking about there. That way you don't have to manually add your ports if you know that it's a DC. You just be like set template, and then you just do DC. Ability to add templates. Same way for web. If you just did web, you just like, set template to web, and then your ports will be already filled in. And then you have a baseline methodology to go with as well, right? So it's like, you got a DC, there's things you automatically have to do. Dump DNS if you have it. Run what's the command? Damn, all my caffeine's gone. The GNU for Linux, things like that, right? So it already be in there for you, for your methodology. If you just did show methodology, and then it was something like, I don't know, DC, and then you be able to do show methodology, Win server as well. But that's not in there yet. That's just too easy to do, so we're not doing that today. At some point, you also be able to do show methodology, AD or Active Directory, and then it's going to walk you through, hey, based on everything that was in the video that I put out, it's going to walk you through all of that, right? And you don't have to go back and look at videos. It just be all in this one tool. We're not working on any of that today. I'm just letting you know that that's coming. What I want to do today is, so we have the ability to save the box. We need to say, let's go back. Let's say save write up forest. Exit. We need some kind of confirmation on that it's saved, right? Because that's whack. So we have forest here, cat forest. And that is not ideal. That's whack, actually. So, wow. Okay. File right. Let's actually do this. Let's do options values. I think that's supposed to work. But yeah, saving for us. Methodology builder. Set machine name test set IP. Save machine. Nope. Save write up. I don't know. Let's try stream IO. What? Right argument must be string, not dig values. Come on. You're being pretty petty here, Python. Let's try that again. Set machine name, machine, set IP, whatever, set, no. Save, write up. Let's try like stream IO again. Exit. And cat stream IO. That's still ugly, bro, but it's working. That works, but that's ugly. So we're gonna make that pretty. I don't like the tool right now. If anybody got any input, or if you're watching this after the fact, definitely put it in the comments. This tool right now is definitely, if you want this tool now, let me know. But I wouldn't recommend it until at minimum I have every HackTheBox machine in the tool based on methodology, and I have all of the it's at least decent, like pretty to work with. Those are the two things that I would recommend before asking me. But y'all know me, like if you ask me for a tool, I'm gonna give you the tool anyway, or whatever you need, because that's what this channel is for, is to make sure you're good. So all right, what's next on our list? We can save a box. Oh, so I also wanted to do like a we're gonna do that off screen, like offline actually, but I'm gonna have a way to where it's like if you exit the program, your values are going to be still there unless you specifically clear it or you set a thing to not save. So yeah, ability to enter commands ran. So another thing that I want to do is, like, let's just say you're doing let's say you're doing a box stream IO, right? So you set your machine name to stream IO, and then you do something like Go Buster or whatever. I want the command and I want the time in the in show options. I'm gonna have to call it something else other than options, right? Because that's really gonna be a write-up. So actually that's what we'll do. Not right now, actually, because I don't want to confuse everybody. But under here, I want the ability. Man, I'm gonna have to fix this code, bro. Not you. So let's do, bro, come on, man. Print. We want a new line. That's how I do new lines. Don't judge me. And then I'm gonna print another thing, which says commands, actions, executed. Oh, we might put like successful commands and actions executed. That way you know that these aren't just commands you ran. And then the next one would be like it had to be a for loop or action and actions print. I don't know. How do you do? We can make this into a list, right? Yeah, we can make this into a list. So it's not even that serious. So we'll go to the top, and we'll say actions equals one of these, and then we also need to put in the add. These all need to be functions, bro. So do not don't take my coding methodology from me, because yeah, it's not good. These need to be functions. I keep saying that, but I'm just kind of like saying this to remind myself to take all of this hard work that I'm doing. If, oh, I don't want that I there. If prompt split. So I'll tell you right now, like scripting, coding, all that comes easy to me. Yeah, that's not bragging, but that's one of those things where it's like when you do it really often, then it's like you don't have to. It's not tough. Now, I would say on the other hand that good practices are tough for me. Like I don't always remember to do good practices, but I would tell you like creating and scripting, like that's just mad easy for me. Like I don't have any problem creating a tool. And then what's really worse for anybody that would that I would be competing with if I were going for another job is I do this every day. So that's like double trouble for anybody. Like, yeah, you'd be better off if you were like in an interview with me to try to learn something from me than just saying, hey, I'm gonna compete against that guy if it came to stuff like this. Because yeah, this is I'm in my comfort zone right now. And again, that's not bragging. That's saying that if you really want to do something, ain't no point in sitting up and watching a bunch of YouTube videos. I'm being hypocritical right now because I'm showing you a YouTube video, but I'm making a point. And this should be on, by the way. Ooh, that's bright. My point that I'm making is do it. Don't sit around and you can watch YouTube videos, it's fine. But the bread and butter is fingertips to keyboard. There was whole assessments that I was on, threat hunting assessments, where all I had was PowerShell. And I had to, while we were hunting, had to come up with scripts. And that's all I was doing. And that at least a year straight of assessments. In 2018. PowerShell only, bro. You're not catching nothing. You're not catching anybody with skill with just PowerShell only. I'll tell you that. If prompt, whatever equals add. Do I want to say action or command here? I'm gonna say action. You're gonna have to put it in quotes. So I guess I'm gonna have to just put that in here. But yeah, when we're done with this, it's gonna change all of that. HackTheBox is gonna change OSCP, all of that. You know, Office of Security might come out and say, "Hey, we're banning this tool. This tool might be so dope, right?" Because it's like all the guesswork is gone. Like all your notes are there. Somebody else did the work, and you're good. But that's how hacking should be. You feel me? It's like hacking is a community thing. It's not an individual thing. At least from what, like, if you look at all the movies and stuff, it's like you learn because there's other people that know, And so you lean on another person to say, hey, how do you do this? Oh, that's easy. You do A, B, and C, and then you do it. Ain't no like trying to take notes. And although that's how we do it now, it's like you got to think about how a regular hacker would work. And it's like, why would he do all the work to try to like pass a certification or try to do this on his own when he could just like go to a resource and then just say, hey, I'm doing it based on that. So we ought to be faster than them if we want to catch them. So that is my contribution to society. This right here. Let's do append. So you'd have to do actions append. Prompt split. If anybody knows a better way to do this, don't be shy, bro. I know that if I put my mind to it, I mean, I could do this. I'd actually need to put a try except here. This could get really ugly if you don't use quotes. It really could. So, I don't want to. I thought a hustle would work, bro. Damn, son. Exit. Exit. Set machine name to, let's do Anubis again because one of my favorite machines. I really like that name, Anubis. Like for real, like that's a dope name. Like for a woman, I think that's a dope name. Let me research that, Anubis. Oh, it was a guy though. Right? Yeah, it was a guy. Damn. It sounds like a woman name. I thought it was a dope name for a woman, but apparently I'm off base there. Let's keep going. Yeah. So I want to save a command. So like, let's say we do one of our successful commands are like add action go buster. Let's put a whole go buster in there so we're not like half stepping here. Commander HTTP. Let's just use that. And this becomes successful. Let's just copy that, and then we need to put that in quotes. And boom. Where's our actions? Oh, we just do show options. You see that? Yeah, it's wild, bro. You see that, man? So what I'm gonna have to do is everything after the second split. Where were we? We were maybe somebody that like really does Python, like really like who's a passionate coder, a passionate scripter, or whatever the case. Because I tell you right now, I'm not. Although, as you see, I can work super hard to get it done. If somebody wants to like help, please help. Definitely, please help, bro. All right, but I know what I would do here. You'd have to take everything from you have to do for word and prompt dot split, but you'd have to do a range here. I forgot how to do that. I think it's like, it would be 2, if I'm not mistaken. 2, boom, boom, -1. Tell me that's right. Python list range. Oh, it's not those. Too much PowerShell. It'd be that for word and prompt split, boom, boom. And then you do actions append. Word. W. Exit. Clear. Python. What? Oh. Python is so good to you sometimes. It's good, but it's bad. It's good, but it's bad. Stuff like that is good. You could just like, you can fall in love with Python, but then it's bad because of Python 2 to Python 3. Man, I can't wait to get out of that hellhole. So, bro, I just saved it. Let's try again. All right, there we go. Set machine name. Just name this time. And set. Nope. Add action. And we need to do that. I don't know if I want to do quotes right now. Probably strip the quotes. Oh, damn. You see how it just commits suicide once it. I don't know if I could say that on live stream. My script commits suicide. I wonder if that'll get me a strike. I'm not encouraging suicide, people, but my script definitely does. Set machine name. I know like AI like picks up on like stuff that you say and it's like, hey, you can't say that. We're banning your live stream. I like to live on edge a little bit. Set action. Let's, instead of that, let's just do like a netcat FVMP 443, something like that. That did not work. What is that? What is that? What am I looking at here? So even though I ran set action, you see that? I don't know what went wrong here. for word and prompt split. All right, let's do some Python testing. Python list equals, boom, list dot append test1, list dot append test2, and then we could just do like list, right? But if we said for item, and nope, we want to add one more list dot append, please subscribe. Boy, Jock and Nipsec. And then we do list, and then we say for item and list dot split. I don't know if we want to do that actually. Nope. List 1, 2. Print item. So what happens is what? Let's try that again. Print item. I think you could do like item and list. I think you could do that. Print item. Yep. So that's what we need to do. I thought -1 would work, but so much for what I know. When prompt split. That's ugly. So we'll exit that and then go clear. Nope, exit with the two things. There should be an environmental variable for that. What? Oh. Nope. Q W Python methodology builder set. Nope. Add action. And then we'll just do another netcat of EMP 443. Okay, so that works, but as you see, yeah. Yep, that's definitely not ideal. We could split by quotes. Why didn't I think of that? We can just say everything after the quote, which would be 0. Damn, why didn't I think of that, bro? So yeah, just get rid of all of this. Damn, nobody told me, bro. Y'all ain't looking out for me, bro. Y'all let me fail. Let me see. Set action. We'll just do action that append prompt splits. I don't know how we would do this though. These things? Can you do that? Or you need to escape it. I think that's it. Oh, no. 0. All right, let's try again. Exit. Add action. AC LVMP 443. Bro. I need a serious. I need a try catch on this thing. Ooh, this is gonna be something else. Try. Uh-oh. Watch me add indents to my code. This is the painful part of Python, bro. That's good. Isn't that good? Oh, that's good, right? How is this already good, though? So, options. So there's I could do like a automation here and Vim. I gotta get some notes on that so I could figure out how to do that. I'm pretty sure I screwed something up. Trust me, it won't be that much longer. Yo. I wish I could work on this all day. Trust me, when I get back home though, it's on. Where's the accept now? That's it for the indents, or it should be. So the try is on the second line. And then we're going to just say accept print error. I don't like my stuff crashing, bro. Add action or what? Add action. I don't know. I don't see any errors, so maybe that did it. Add action. Cat LVMP 443. Show options. Oh, well. What do I do here? Let's exit. Whoa. Exit, bro. What? I just did exit. Exit's been working. Bro, what the hell? Bro, I can't. What's going on exit, bro? Try. Input, output, operation on closed file. I don't get what you mean, bro. It was like I was better off without that. Bro. Maybe when you go to exit, Oh, I just screwed my code up. I don't know. The code is crazy right now. I probably shouldn't have done the try thing. That should work though. Is it because I have try and accept in a while true loop? So it's like, I don't know. This is weird. Maybe it's this. No, it can't be. Oh, that's weird, dog. Let's just keep going, man. I'll figure it out. How about show options? Doesn't add action, add cat OVMP 443. That works, right? Let me try this. It looks like that's gonna break. Can't even exit properly anymore, bro. Yo, just stop. Stop. There you go. Thank you. Yep. Doesn't like that. How do you escape a quote in Python? Python print can you do that? Can you do that? What about this? Escape. Damn. Yo, that's not working. The backslash is not working. Unless you have to do this. Oops. Okay. I don't know how I missed that part. Maybe I did it, but it didn't work. I think that's what happened, actually. I did it, but it didn't work. Say exit. Bro, exit. Yeah. Because Bash needs to escape it too. But then if you double quote it, that happens. We'll see though. I don't think there's a way here, man. I really don't. I'm just gonna do it the other way for now, and we'll see, man. For action and actions, print. Can you print on a? No. I need to do. Damn. join action. I don't know how I forgot about that. Is that how you do it? Python join? Yes. That should work. Right? Yes. Yeah. That's gonna work for now. Right? Time is it? 6:51. Add action. Netcat LBMP 443. I don't see it. No, I said print. Damn. Oh, this is all messed up. First of all, for actions and prompt split to, I think that's supposed to work, right? Are you supposed to just do that? I think that's supposed to work, right? It starts with the second value and then print join action. Oh, damn, I forgot, bro. You can't exit. Oh, man. That's not good. That is not good. You're just gonna have to deal with me again, undoing all of this. Oh, man. All right, go back and then kill that process. It's been a crazy morning, but I hope everyone liked. I hope you like the idea of the tool. I want to be. I want it to be ready for to this, like, give out to people maybe at the end of the week. So I'm thinking Friday to be like methodology builder. What are we calling it? V1. So it's like you'd have that, but it's gonna be advanced though. Like, so when you take the tool, you're gonna have the latest methodologies from the latest HackTheBox machine. So that could be a good and bad thing, because some exams are only testing you on, like, some exams only test you as far as their exam creators can go. That, if that makes sense. So, like, if you're taking an exam from whatever security and their guys can only do like LF5 from like 1997 or whenever LF5 became a thing or whatever, then that's what you you feel me? It's like, yeah, I think you get what I'm saying. You're not gonna, it's a sometimes, depending on what cert you're taking, it's a disadvantage to have the latest information. Case in point, when I took the OSCP, well, it worked out well for me. But when I took the OSCP, I did every machine on TJ Knowles' list, and when I actually approached the exam, it was a lot easier. So I could see how that would be a problem for some people, because if you studied all of the advanced methodologies and then you took an exam with that felt basic. I'm not saying that it was easy. I'm not saying the OSCP was easy, but the methodologies that I used when I took the OSCP was a step down from the methodologies in teacher notice list. So that could be a problem for some people. Is all I'm saying. For me, I had kind of the I guess the foresight to know that what I'm doing, or all of the everything that I'm executing is basically an advanced version of what I went over. So I have to kill Tech 9 175 3725. Chill, bro. I ain't even in the mood right now. Password's wrong. All right. Back to square one. Add action. And cat LVMP. 3. Wow. I'm gonna get this to work. This is like kind of like the thing that I want to do before I get off, because I gotta go. It's not adding anything to. Yo, that's crazy. So why wouldn't it just like? Okay. So I'm doing a for loop here. You can't do that, bro. String. Oh, let's call it output equals, and then you have to print the output, bro. Print output. You can't do that, man. Exit. Oh my god. Why am I still getting the error? There's no way. I'm a little bit disappointed in this too, because now I have to. Thank you. Add action. Make it LVMP 443. Bro, you know I'm tripping, right? Output equals boom boom. Output. Like simple stuff. Like sometimes, like, don't think it's sweet. Add action. It can't. Oh, this should work. What? How, bro? Are you seeing this right now? How? Oh, you know what's probably messing with it? The quotes. All right, I'm gonna have to do something about that. Man, this is crazy. For that cat, LN, no, L It is it one? I don't think it is. And action at cats MP 443. I don't know what's going on here. What I'm going to do is just do one final run through of the tool, and we're gonna call it good for today. And by the end of the week, when I'm done, I'm gonna just demo the whole thing, and then I'll put it on the GitHub for you to use. But I do need a little time of running through. I need a little bit of time for running through every single write-up on HackTheBox, and then putting them in methodology format, and then putting them into the tool. So the tool is going to be quite large, I guess, in that respect. So actually, let me just put that here so that I know that I need to do that. Add write-ups. So this is going to be an easy task. Add write-ups from HackTheBox. I'm going to literally have to go through each write-up and read it, and then say, oh, this applies to PHP, or this applies to SQL, this applies to cross-site scripting, and whatever the case. Put all of those in there, and once I'm done, because I think we're dealing with south of 300 boxes. Once I have read every write-up and put them into the tool, the next step is going to be giving you, I'm going to have to give you the options so that you can know what options you have. And then you can do that as well. So those two things are the big two, like, I guess, big ticket items for this tool. The third one would be, now that we have examples, if you are on a Windows box and you find yourself on a server 2019, 2016, you put that in. You may say something like show methodology, server 16, server 19, and then bloop, it spits you out a list. And then from there, you just say, okay, well, I've taken all of these steps. So that's the third thing. And then I'm not really that good, so I'm not even going to like act or try to act like I'm somebody that I'm not. But I don't see why we can't add machine learning or some kind of thing here where it's like, I don't know if machine learning actually fits here, but it would basically be able to, I don't know, maybe machine learning is not appropriate here. Now that I'm thinking about it. But it would have to be some decision making in the background that does more than spit out information. So, yeah, big things coming for this tool. I hope you like it. Oh, screwed that up. I also need to, I need to find a way to say, all right, if I push the up button, you're going to get the last command that was ran. So that's also coming. So let's put all of that in here. So add write-ups from HTTP. We have to add functionality to recover last command by pressing up. And then we have to add methodologies based on templates. So that'll be like, all right, I already explained it, but like, I have a Linux server. All right, boom, here's your methodology to get to initial access, etc. based on templates. What else do I want? I think that's it. I got to do functions and switch instead of all of these if statements. And I also have to comment so that if you want to help, you can get the code and you can know what's going on. So yeah, I'm out, man. I guess take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow where we will be doing an Active Directory challenge. I have to find one, so that would be a lot of fun trying to find and dig through stuff. But we'll find an Active Directory challenge, and then I will what do I want to say here? I will set a timer. So the last one was 60 minutes. We didn't get the 60 minutes, so I'll probably set one for 45 minutes next time. Just to be extra dangerous there. So if anyone has any recommendations, maybe IT Sec Labs has one or whatever, just let me know. So I've done, if I'm not mistaken, I've done his last one and the one before last. So maybe I could do his challenge that he has before that. IT Security Labs. Is that how he spells it? I don't know. Here's his YouTube channel. He has 33.2 subscribers. Does he have community? So I did this one, right? Yep, we did that. Get the domain administrators, NTLM hash on our new machine called controller. I did this one. So what? Tonight's gonna be so much fun. Father's Day. However, crack this box, my creation from last week. Definitely not the easiest machine, but we'll crack it on the next live stream. Works in VirtualBox. So this is the one I'll download. So if you've done this one before. Oh, he took it down, bro. Come on, man. Oh, it's because it's truncating. It's truncating the file. That definitely sucks. Can I go to this? Let me see. Does anyone have this box by any chance? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if we can go to this live stream. We'll crack it on next live stream. So we cracked it here. I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not going to read anything. Download here. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to download this. To virtual machines. It's VMware, I think. Yeah, it is. Beloved.zip. So this is the one we're gonna do for tomorrow. The beloved.zip, and then according to this, he might have already spoiled it with me seeing that CVE. Hopefully not. I don't know that CVE, so we're gonna pretend that we didn't see that. And so we're gonna crack that tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been 90 minutes, so I'm gonna sign off. It's gonna be at 5 o'clock Eastern tomorrow, bro. I'm not even playing about that. So just look for me tomorrow. We out. Peace. thanks for watching, bro. This is a very popular live stream, so I appreciate everybody coming out. Thanks.